Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and set up Touch ID on MacBook Air M4. In order to do this, first you're gonna have to open the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen, go to System Settings, and in System Settings scroll down the sidebar until you find the Touch ID and password. Select Add Fingerprint and provide the password to your MacBook in here, and press unlock and place your fingerprint on the Touch ID sensor, which is simultaneously your power button. Keep pressing it firmly with your fingerprint or finger. Make sure that you use as much area of your fingerprint as possible, and then tap done when you're ready. Now let's press the power button once to lock the screen of the device, and let's use it fingerprint to unlock it. And you can see it worked well for the first time. The second one, it's a very smooth feature, as you can see on the MacBook. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.